It's really a circus here now. All the boys are out. They're going on between 5 and 6 years of 5 and 6 weeks of age. And I say that because some were born a couple of days or a week earlier than the others. Baby Blue, which is that one at the back on the side, that's Titan just flew off. That's Baby Blue. Baby Blue is actually chasing Daddy Blue. That's Baby Blue on the right. Well, anyway, Baby Blue was the last one out. Or the last one born, and he was the last one out of the box, coming out on Sunday. I think it was, and today is Tuesday. And he's already much stronger, joining in the fray. Here's a little green one. This is a game that they play. They climb up through the netting. As Evelyn says, it's like a kindergarten.
Merry Christmas.
Yeah, it's Christmas Day. And the older ones are actually eating, I don't know if you can see that, are eating some of the solid food now. They're less dependent on mum. But it's a circus. They're up and about, flying everywhere. Probably 2 or 3 days we shall transfer the baby. Yeah, there we go. This is through the netting. It's a game for them.
The netting says safety.
The netting's a safety device Evelyn created so when she opens the door. But at the moment these birdies are using it as a jungle gym. Very active. Climb up using their wings.
Papa Bear tries to get out of the way.
Yeah, Titan's on the ground down the back and Baby Blue's up on the fence, on the branch. And yes, they'll get transferred in a few days' time to this cage. We already have people who will be taking the birdies. So that'll happen probably next weekend after Ben has gone back to Sydney.
Keshet up the top.
There's Mama, Keshet. That's the Mama Bear. She's enjoying a bit of peace and quiet while she can.
Tell by the length of the tail.
You can see the length of her tail. Titan also has a huge long tail. That's him over there. That's Titan and Baby Blue down there to the right. Yeah, and here's one of the babies eating seed. So they catch on very quickly on how to fend for themselves, how to eat by themselves, but they won't say no to a free feed from mummy. Here's one of the babies calling out. That's Keshet in the foreground and the baby in the back.
Not like human babies.
Keshet's having some spinach. This baby's having some seed.
They worn themselves out. It's time to sleep again.
Yep.
They sleep a lot.
Baby Blue's closing his eyes. He's on the perch down there. Okay, now we can feed the birds now that the circus is over.